The Battle of the Leprechauns, Glenties and Donegal at one end of the country, the people of Bandon, County Cork at the other. Each town aiming to set a new world record for the biggest number of leprechauns in one place. But to beat the current record of 414 held by a school in South Africa, everything has to be just right, from the buckles on their shoes to the colour of their trousers.
If you have navy trousers on you, you will be eliminated.
The leprechauns came from all over and each was counted and recorded on camera.
We have 1,024 leprechauns in Glenties. We are absolutely ecstatic, over the moon. So it's all up to now. We'll see how Bandon does. And good luck to them as well.
But Bandon were registering their leprechauns by the hundreds as well and were very confident of success.
I think it's pretty evident, looking at the crowd around us at this stage, that it's fairly safely in the bag.
The final count in Cork was 1,263, 139 more leprechauns than Glenties. But nothing is certain until all is scrutinised by the Guinness Book of Records. Improperly dressed leprechauns may be eliminated, so we won't know the new record holders for at least 6 weeks. The only certainty is that the record is rightfully back in Ireland.